My project is on wastewater by Tiana Rego. What is wastewater? The definition of wastewater is any water that has been adversely affected in quality by anthropogenic influence. Anthropogenic is originating in human activity, so it's been affected by human activity and influence. What are some ways we create wastewater? There are many ways we create wastewater, including leaving water running. If we leave water running, it goes straight down the drain and is not used for anything useful. Also, partial loads. When you wash your clothes, make sure you fill up the load completely so you're not wasting any water. Vehicle washes. Limit the amount of water you use to wash your vehicle and use a bucket and collect it in the bucket instead of just running the hose constantly. And automatic pool refilling. When you automatically fill your pool, water is automatically being wasted, and when you recycle that water or refilter it, it's better for the environment. Wastewater collects in wastewater streams. The water gets dumped from your household environment into wastewater streams, where it then goes into treatment and filters out the water for reuse. How much wastewater does Oahu collect? Oahu collects much wastewater, which includes 100 to 110 million gallons a day. With all this water, there is some that we can recycle instead of constantly using the water. How can we keep wastewater from accumulating? We can do this by having more treatment streams. That way, the streams will not overflow and will constantly be filtering. We can also use less water. Less water means that there's less water to filter. Or we can recycle the water, which is another form of just using less and refiltering it. And we can collect rainwater so that the rainwater doesn't just go down the drain and into the sewage. Why is wastewater dangerous? Wastewater is dangerous because it damages the ecosystem. When this gets near plants, it is sewage, so it damages the plants, and we can also get into our drinking water and may harm wastewater workers. Many people die that work in the wastewater refiltering facilities because it's an unsafe environment. Besides it just not smelling well, it also is very harmful because of the chemical. What time of year is the most wastewater collected? The most wastewater is collected in summer. Because summer is hot and it rains less, the plants need more nutrients and more water. And since we don't like the heat, we also want to take longer showers, use our pool that refills, and also use water so that it cools us down. How is wastewater filtered? Wastewater goes into the filtering process to remove the chemicals. The chemicals are both biological and physical. During this process, it first removes the solid waste so that the clear water can refilter. Thank you for watching.